Teeth grinding, a hidden threat to your smile. Did you know chewing a snack takes just 10 kilograms of pressure? Easy, right? Chewing bread? That's 30 kilograms of pressure, still manageable. But when you grind your teeth at night, it's 60 to 70 kilograms of force. That's double, even triple the pressure. Over time, this can wreck your teeth, causing them to wear out, crack, or even loosen. Wake up with jaw pain, sore teeth? You might be grinding your teeth at night and not even know it. Protect your teeth. Use a night guard, reduce stress, and visit your dentist to stop the damage. Don't let teeth grinding ruin your smile. Take action now. Your smile will thank you.